Amr from Tunisia.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, I have a request for you and a question. My
Okay.
request is, could you make a video describing how to make Hajj? I know there are some videos on your YouTube channel about Hajj, but it's not describing in details. It's only explaining some hadith.
Okay. Akhi, listen to me. As for your request, I have recorded many episodes for channels, for educational institutions, for universities describing Hajj. Where are these recordings? I have no idea. Maybe it's on my YouTube and you have to look. But they're there. I did courses on this topic. Will I do it again? I don't have the time or the energy to decide and sit and say, inshallah, today I'm going to do this. I'm too lazy. Unless I'm asked and appointed to do something or a project, I don't. So many people say, why don't you start doing tafsir al-Quran? I'd love to. I wish I can. But I don't have the time. I don't have the energy to do it. Unless I'm invited to a course and they say, okay, we would like you to make for us juz' al-mujadala. And we have 2 weeks to do it. I can do that. I have no problem in that, inshallah, because now it's a task I put on my wish list and I execute.